Hi, welcome back to the tree slime shop. Today I will be selling this random slime that has random things in it. I know, yes, I know. You love this slime. Random purple slime. Yes, you love random purple slime. If you love random purple slime, you write it on your paper.
Random purple slime smells very good and seems like a very good slime. I'm gonna write it on my paper.
Mama will be selling is beautiful sunset orange slime. You love sunset orange slime. You love sunset orange slime. You will buy it. Now if you were gonna buy it, write it on your paper.
Gosh, yes, I have been wanting an orange slime and I did not get it. I not found one and haven't gotten one, so I'm so gonna get this one.
Slime I will be selling is this blue slime. I call it Cinderella Night Slime. And it's clear slime that has lotion in it, so it's not very comfortable. Look at how stretchy it is. So stretchy. Number 1 on the list of slimes you would want to buy. Oh no, I dropped it. Anyway, it's very nice and very clunky. You want this slime? Come and get it.
I love blue clear slimes and that was so pretty. I'm gonna get that one. 100% yes.
Fold the paper and give it to me. Thank you.
Now I will check your order and you will receive your order in a minute.
First thing on the list is random purple slime. For $70, I gave her a deal. It used to be $200. You thought you were getting my precious random purple slime. This slime cost me lots of money to buy. Lots of money. So, you get something better that didn't cost me lots of money. You get this one that's not very big, but it's nice and wet and hard, and it's the best slime you would ever want. So, put that in there and in a bag. Boom! The slime on the list is Cinderella Night Slime. I love this slime. It's in a very special container that will not give anybody. And you're not getting this slime out of the container. You're not getting this slime at all. It's too precious for me. Look at how beautiful this slime is. So, what you're getting instead is a container and lotion in the container, making another slime because I don't have enough slime to spare. Then you get a next thing in this slime, I'm teaching everybody how to make my tree slime shop. So next thing is some of this aloe vera skin cooling. Because when you want to put and play with the slime and put it on your hands, you want some aloe vera. It is very nice and very soothing. Next slime is this country, not slime, it's lotion, but it's country apple, and I think this slime is very chunky. Not slime, it's lotion. It's very chunky, so it's perfect to give those, if you want like a fishbowl bead one. So, here's the chunk. Okay. Next
is this lip balm because it is nasty because I put my lips all over it and I put it in my eyebrows and so I'm just gonna put some in for the color. Come on. So that was a fail. That was a fail. So it's okay. Still get a pink nice slime. Next lotion is this Magic in the Air lotion. And I love this Magic in the Air lotion. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it on my face. Gonna take it off and put it straight in there. Okay. Now it looks like a booger hanging from the side. Next thing is this stuff that's been underneath the couch and I found it. So it smells like a skunk. So if it would just come out for me, that would be very nice. I'm gonna just pour a little in for scent. Okay. So the next thing I'm gonna put in is some nice alkyl. It's a chemical that makes the skin burn. So what I have in here is liquid, and I'm gonna put it in. So now I'm gonna mix it. And that took me a very long time. So you should appreciate that. Look at that slime. It's not a very great slime consistency, but it's very great. And so you should thank me for that. There we go. And now I'll put you in here for somebody else. Before I send this package out, this is an extra because it's Tree Slime Shop. So you put it in there for good luck. You'll put this in there, open it up, put it in there, and send it out. Hello, sweetie, who bought my slime. So you have to pay me $392. I'm rich. Now I can buy anything I want. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got this slime package. It was from this weird lady who talked in a really deep voice, but I'm not judging. She kind of freaked out when I gave her the money. So yeah. So first thing in here, my invoice kind of cracked up, but there's must be slimes in here because the containers were big and there was one that was glass, so that's fine. So I got a random purple slime for $70, sunset orange slime for $110, Cinderella night slime for $190. Total was $370. I paid her $350, and she was fine with it. And she said, "Thanks for buying." I can't really read it because it's on her foot. So thanks for buying extra things. So here is it. So that. So she said on here too that my random purple slime was going to be smaller because she ran out. Sunset orange was going to be the same, and then Cinderella is going to be in this gum package, but whatever. Oh, okay, so here's my Cinderella night slime. It doesn't feel very heavy. So what is that? Guys, what is that? Maybe maybe her containers are gum packets. And this is like an extra. It seems like a scent that she made. I've seen that she's given scents before. Still, I really don't like it, but it's nice for an extra. Oh, she said there's a customizing that she gives everybody, and it's a tree because tree scent, and I think it's really cute actually. So I kind of got a little bit of that scent on there, but it's fine. And so I'll put that over there. You can kind of see it right there. So, oh, here's my random purple slime. Oh, it's wet. This is not random purple slime. It's a glitter slime. Maybe it was another extra. I don't know. Wait, this is a sunset orange crayon. Is this supposed to be my slime? It's not even a good crayon. It's dull. What? That means this is my slime, and it's very ill. And this is my Cinderella Night slime. Worst slime package ever. Don't recommend tree slime.
Hello guys. So I just checked the YouTube internet to see what my slime buyer from last time reviewed. So her channel name is Horiraba Data. So what? This is the worst ever. She said my slimes are horrible. She hated the scent, and she did not like a nice crayon that was kind of dull. She said she got blisters because she touched the scent. And then she said this slime was a rip-off, and how she gave, and the tree was stupid. This is a lie, everybody. Don't look up blah blah blah. Her YouTube videos are horrible.
I hope you like that video. It was just like a skit. It was kind of funny, but like cringy at the same time. So I hope you like it. Make sure you go check everything else out in my Etsy, Mermaid Slimes by Olivia. So yeah, bye. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, guys. But I forgot to say that I want to bring this crazy lady back. So if you want me to bring her back in other videos to do like other scamming videos, because I thought she was pretty funny myself, but I just realized that I forgot to say this while I was editing. But I think that you should comment down below what I should name her and if I should bring her back. And so yeah, and I'm sorry about the background noises. I forgot to have my door shut, but hopefully it didn't bother you guys that much from enjoying the video. So bye.